So I can see these snakes. You see them back in the holes, cause I see they fake. I preach a sermon about the paper like I'm Creflo Dollar. I pop smoke niggas like I pop my collar. I'm the dollar Megan, Monica and Maya, Missy's Freaky and Brandy shot up. Now take a look at how my lifestyle changed up. I'm on now, goddammit, I came up. Now you can find me with the finest hoes, choosing the I gotta finish for the stones. I'm in the ice, man. If I ain't got a pistol on me,
I gotta keep the 4/5 with no safety button. You wanna get their money. I know some artists are starving, but play the game like they rich. To me, the shit funny. I know you see me coming, cause on the front of the Maybach, it say payback for those that hated on me. I hate when niggas claim they playing the game. You ain't a crip like me. See, I've been having beef. I got about 2 left until my last breath. I'm sending niggas trying to be heroes. You know how we roll everywhere that we go.
Everywhere we go, all the gangsters around know my hope. Like you're supposed to. We be popping them. Everywhere
original, or they kill where the hip hop starts. Rap for the pop charts. Some musicians cuss at home. Yeah, they want reality, but you will hear none. They'd rather exaggerate a little bit. Some say no to drugs, then take a stand. But after the show, they go looking for the dope man. On the radio, here in WA, and say hell no. But you know that as long as you make a note to.
What's up?
So when you see Dre, a DJ,